day 6 of the UK Locksport January challenge, and I've got a 5-lever padlock from Wickes. It's kind of a copy of the ERA 5-lever. So I'll be using this little hybrid tool, which is part Mad Bob's, part AndyMac. So I'm going to give it a go. I enjoy picking certain lever padlocks, this type, ERA type especially. The ones I don't particularly enjoy picking are things like the Squire. I've currently got 3 Chubbs battleships, which I'm hoping to pick at least one before the end of the month, but they're proving quite stubborn. I'm getting all the levers with this. There we go. That was fun. Anyway, take care and see you tomorrow, hopefully.